hero system in Dark War Survival, including equipment, skill, and faction bonus, was recently updated on March 6th. Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. Today's video will guide you through the changes in the hero system and how we can take advantage of them. Equipment. The equipment faction has been removed in this update. Previously, we had 3 types of equipment for specific factions, but now we only have 1 type for each quality. This update is beneficial because we can equip any hero without worrying about faction restrictions. Skills. Previously, unlocking a higher tier attribute required upgrading the skill level. For instance, the skill had to be upgraded to level 15 to access a 3rd tier attribute. However, with the latest changes, skill attributes unlock based on the hero's star level. For example, a hero with a 4-star level will automatically receive the 4th tier of attributes. The hero's star level has become increasingly important. Upgrading the skill level still increases the skill stats, such as a level 15 skill dealing 1,719% attack damage compared to 2,166% at level 20. Additionally, the new skill reset feature has been introduced in this update. This allows us to reset a skill and receive an 80% refund of the skill books used. This feature is handy if we switch our primary formation to a different set of heroes. If you're buying a bundle in Dark War Survival, GemZ is ready to help you save more and get more value. GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With GemZ, it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Faction. In the past, we only received bonuses to attack and defense if we had at least 3 heroes from the same faction. These bonuses remain unchanged. The faction counter system has been introduced with this update, making formations more dynamic. For example, the fighter faction counters the rider faction, the rider counters the shooter faction, and the shooter counters the fighter faction. When a faction successfully counters another, we gain a troop damage bonus based on the number of heroes from the same faction in our formation. For instance, if we have 4 fighter heroes, it becomes a fighter formation at tier 4. When battling with a rider or neutral faction that doesn't have a faction bonus, we will gain a 25% troop damage bonus. No one will gain the countering bonus if both players are with the same faction. Tips. We can leverage the countering system to our advantage. By checking the arena, we notice that most players primarily use the fighter faction. This trend may be influenced by Guy, who is accessible without significant spending. We can play smart by switching our primary formation to a shooter faction. Doing so will gain us a troop damage bonus in many battles, giving us the upper hand. In contrast, the rider faction is currently disadvantaged, as the widely used fighter faction counters it. Changing it to the shooter faction is highly recommended if you use the rider faction as the primary. However, the faction trend should change occasionally, and we must monitor it in the arena and adjust our formation accordingly. Alright, it is the end of today's sharing. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.